Cancer, welcome back. It's the White Wolf Mother here. I'm back to bring you some more messages. Hope all is well. Let's dive right in and get this microphone straight. Hold on. 3 cards, past, present, future for Cancer. Open your heart. Travel. And watch yourself. Watch out there now. Everything that glitters ain't gold. Overall energy. Let's shuffle up, Cancer. What spirit messages do you have for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. 3 cards, past, present, future for Cancer. I know what you did last summer. Oh, shit. And this is the shadow deck, Cancer. What the fuck done happened? Cancer. 3 cards, past, present, future for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Angels, ancestors, please assist us in this reading for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Thank you. Overall energy for Cancer, Wheel of Fortune, Judgment. We'll see how this plays out for you, Cancer. I just heard as the wheel turns. 3 cards, past, present, future for Cancer. Open your heart, travel, and watch out there now. Why am I hearing Bobby Brown? Every little step I take. Somebody boyfriend or somebody dad might look like Bobby Brown. Or somebody named Bobby. I just heard Nathaniel. Under Open Your Heart, Ace of Swords. Coming straight out with the truth. Okay, Cancer. You gonna hit them with the truth? Open your heart. Open heart surgery. Oh no. Open heart surgery? Ace of Swords? Oh God. What the fuck? Travel? Death card. Oh my God. What the fuck? Death card. Oh God, Cancer. What the fuck is going on? 5 of Wands. Grief. Oh, I just heard no reproduction. What? Under watch yourself. Oh shit. Under this Ace of, this ain't looking good, Cancer. Under this Ace of Swords, you got the Ace of Pentacles. This is reversed. Oh my goodness. Cancer. Under this Death card, you got the Hangman. Now I'm hearing that wheel. That ain't good. That's delays. A pause. I just heard facing reality. Oh goodness. Under this 5 of Wands, 2 of Wands, that's 7 Wands. Somebody was fighting somebody and then somebody blocked somebody, arguing. I'm hearing arguing and fighting, and then now somebody got blocked. 2 of Wands. Somebody thought they had the whole world in their hand. Ace of Pentacles, reverse. 3 of Pentacles, reversed. Yeah, ain't no reviewing this. I'm hearing there's no reviewing this. What? Under this Hangman Star card, this is reversed too, Cancer. Oh my goodness. falling star. The hangman, yeah, she looks like she's falling. Cancer. This is not good. Trying to take your place. Trying to make you fall so somebody can take your place. Wow. Ain't that a blip? Ain't that a blip, Cancer? Somebody trying to make you fall so they can take your place. But they can't do it like you, though. Seven of Cups under this Two of Wands here. Many options and avenues with this Two of Wands. Three of Pentacles, Three of Cups, third party situation. I'm hearing jealousy and envy. Under the Star reverse Emperor. I'm hearing he's sitting here watching. I'm hearing this nut ass bitch gossiping and talking and having tea parties, brunches, and with her little girlfriends talking shit, probably about him, and who knows? 7 o'clock page, yeah. Watching and lurking. I'm hearing somebody got their friends watching somebody. And there's Three of Cups, Six of Cups. Maybe some children involved here. I just heard looking back on the past. The Emperor is looking back on the Three of Cups. Six of Cups. Looking back on the past. For what? I just heard the love that you once had. So Cancer, that Emperor is you. And if you're a female, you're in your masculine energy. I'm hearing you the ringleader to this drama right here. Page of Swords. Three of Swords. That's 4 swords. Three of Swords. A broken heart. Either somebody broke this Emperor's heart or this Emperor broke somebody's heart. I just heard the love I once knew. Somebody's broken-hearted here. Six of Cups, Ace of Cups. That's another Seven of Cups. 7-7. That's another 7 of Cups. Somebody had too many options. You're a fool. You was a fool. Somebody let their true love go. And now you feel like a fool. Ace of Cups is true love. I just heard somebody that really loved me. You betrayed your true love. You betrayed your true love. You betrayed your... I just heard what goes around comes around. Under this Three of Swords, Moon card. Reverse. That's you, Cancer. Secrets coming out. I'm hearing everything will be revealed in due time. For some, it's already been revealed. I don't know what to say. Under this Fool, 9 of Wands. Yeah. This shit's coming back on somebody. This is not good. This is all some shit. This is bad karma. Ten of Swords, Two of Swords, more Gemini energy. Two of Swords, making the wrong decision. Under this moon, Eight of Swords, jail or hell. Take your pick, jail or hell. Feeling stuck. Somebody scared they going to jail or something. When everything's said and done. This is not good, Cancer. Let's see. Emperor. I'm hearing this is you and your sisters or something. Talking about this Emperor. Or your person and their family talking about you. Clarify this Emperor. Four of Swords, contemplating what's going down in the situation. Thinking. Clarify the Emperor for Cancer. I'm hearing, what am I going to do? Be strong. This Emperor, he's well off, well established, but he's sick of the lies. Cancer, he's sick of the lies. Or either, no, I'm hearing that Emperor, he, I don't know if y'all was both lying to each other or what, over money. Wheel of Fortune for Cancer. Clarify the Wheel of Fortune for Cancer. I just heard I made a mistake. Clarify the Wheel of Fortune for Cancer. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Sun signature Cancer. Here you are, Cancer. Page of Cups. More children, possibly. Or either somebody's pregnant, they on bed rest. Somebody might be pregnant on bed rest here. This Page of Cups clarified this Wheel of Fortune. Somebody's coming back, thinking about coming back with an apology. Maybe. Ten of Pentacles. This is reverse. Yeah, you reap what you sow. This is all bad. You reap what you sow. Somebody about to lose everything. I stopped at the title card. I'm hearing finances. Somebody lying about finances. I just heard trying to break a nigga. Damn. Cancer. You trying to break a nigga? Somebody got Leo in their chart with this strength card. Damn. I'm done with this mess. Let me see. Wheel of Fortune, Ten of Pentacles reversed. That is not good, Cancer. Messages for Cancer. Sun signature Cancer. Sun signature Cancer. Holy Spirit, what messages do you have for Cancer? Moving. Somebody's moving. Moving back home. Six of Cups. Just heard far away. Somebody's far from home. Hobbies. I just heard abortion. I don't know why. I heard it right there. Somebody was pregnant on bed rest, but they had an abortion. Forgiveness. Maybe they're seeking forgiveness for this abortion, child. Got the death card. Someone traveled to another state or another town for an abortion. Yeah, you got the falling star. Damn, Cancer. Let me get one. Oh, I'm hearing I should get one more for you. I usually only get 3. Yeah, this is a mess. Look how that just shot out of my hand. This is a mess. One more for Cancer Spirit. One more for Cancer. Oh, wait a minute. There is. Oh, okay. Wow, there's already 4 out there. Courage. Courage. Have the courage to move on. Having the courage to move. Somebody strayed from their path. Look, religion and spirituality. Somebody strayed from their path. Chasing waterfalls and shit. Everything that glitters ain't gold. Alright, y'all. Like, share, and subscribe. I hope this reading helped you. Talk to y'all soon.